Hello everyone, this is Victoria here again at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so happy to be here with you, and I'm so excited because today I'm gonna review these stunning shoes. The name is Destiny-06R and they are 5-inch. As usual, they bring with this box and with this travel bag. You know that I love it. Or take your shoes to any place with you. As you know, you just take your shoes in and you can take them with you for your photo shoot, for your runway, or whatever you need. Some travel, okay? And let's see these ones. Oh my god, they are so beautiful, so pretty. They are shining. They are 5-inch, seems without platform, but they seems that have inside, but they look so amazing, so amazing. They are closed on the top, which make them so elegant. Oh my god, I can't stop to see them. They are super cute, super elegant. If you maybe have some engaged party, some wedding, even I want to get married with these ones. They are super beautiful. Let me show you guys. Look, these details here, shining. Oh my god, they are stunning. They are stunning. Let's try them. I'm dying to try. Oh my god, look at this. It's so beautiful. Definitely, if you have to go to some elegant place, they're gonna call all the attention. They are comfortable. You feel super secure. I really like them. With some formal dress, I think going pretty good. I feel like a princess. They are princess shoes. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm really in love with these shoes. Maybe today they are my favorites, the new favorites today. And I like the classic style because they are closed in the top and back. Oh my god. And it's like high heels. They are stunning. I can't stop to see them. Definitely I need to go outside to show you how amazing look under sunlight. But don't forget to subscribe, to leave your comments here down, and click on the little bell in this corner for don't miss any video from this channel. I'm dying to show you guys how amazing look under sunlight. They're gonna shining too much with this beautiful sunny day. Oh my god, look at this. No way, this is so amazing. I can't stop to see them. They are super cute, super elegant. What do you think, guys? You're gonna be in love with these shoes like me. I can't believe, I really can't stop to see them. They are shining so much. If you have some elegant occasion, they are perfect for you. Perfect. Let me turn around a little bit to show you how amazing they are. I can't believe this. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm definitely in love with these shoes. I can't stop to see them. I imagine these ones with a dress, with a long dress. Maybe with a wedding dress. But you can use for every occasion as well if you want, because they are super comfortable and definitely gonna call the attention. These shoes make me happy, make me feel like a princess. I'm a princess today with these ones. Oh my god. Really, I can't stop to see them. Oh my god, look at these. They are shiny. This is amazing. My favorites today. That's the truth. What do you think, guys? Please leave me your comment here down about these shoes. I know you're gonna love these ones. Even I don't want to take off. I'm gonna see them last time because they are stunning. They are stunning. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you next time.